Olá pessoal, the milestone of 10,000 subscribers has been reached. Yay! I'd like to thank each one of you for being part of Plain Portuguese channel. And to celebrate our journey together, I have a special invitation for you. I'd like to invite you to become a member of Plain Portuguese Club. Because in addition to the existing benefits from now on, all members of Plain Portuguese Club have access to our exclusive Discord server. There you'll have the opportunity to introduce yourself, ask and answer questions, exchange experiences with me and fellow members. That's a great opportunity for you to practice your Portuguese through text, voice chats, while improving your learning. If you have any questions on how to become a member of Plain Portuguese Club, feel free to ask me. Now, if you are already a member of Plain Portuguese Club and you don't know how to link your YouTube account to your Discord account, please contact me. It's important for these accounts to be linked so that you are granted access to all channels of our Discord server. If you're excited to embark on this journey with us, don't waste more time. Become a member of Plain Portuguese Club and join our exclusive community on Discord.